Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Prasad and you are watching The Absolute Rider. If you are new to this channel, then do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss a new update from my channel. So today in this video we'll be going to talk about the new helmet, that is the MT Thunder 2020 edition. We had bought this in somewhere around the month of Feb, but we couldn't use it because of the lockdown in India. So we'll be testing out this helmet and I'll be giving you the final review of how this helmet is after the lockdown. So in this video we'll be going to talk about the specifications, features and what all it provides to us, and we'll be going to talk about the price as well. These are my previous helmets, that is the Axor Apex Crypto for R15 and the Axis Draken, which is for Royal Enfield. That's my helmet. So both the videos are on my channel. You can surely go and watch it from there, and I'll be providing you the link in the description and iCard as well, so you can surely watch from there. And in this video we'll be going to talk about only this helmet, not these two helmets, because I've already done the review on it. So let's concentrate on this rather than these both helmets. And before going to the video, I want you guys to see a small cinematic shots of this helmet, so I hope you guys will enjoy it.
Fake star will go away.
So guys, please let me know in the comment section below if you enjoyed the cinematic shots, and let's remove the bag now. You can see they have packed this helmet with a nice helmet branding and with the MT logo. So it's very useful when you go for long rides to keep your helmet safe. And let me remove the helmet now. Guys, this is how the helmet looks. First of all, I will show you the 360 degree view of this helmet. You guys might be thinking that is this color is orange, pink or red, but this is the neon orange, and I really liked it a lot because this kind of helmets actually attracts the people who are traveling on the roads and long rides. So actually this is an attention seeker color. So I really like this helmet and went for it. So as you can see, behind we get to see black and white contrast, and at the front we could able to see that neon orange with the white. So this actually looks too cool, right? The size of the helmet is M. So this is a medium sized helmet. Even my Axis Draken helmet is the size of M, medium. So let me unwrap the visor sticker. Now let's start talking about the features of this helmet, and we'll be going to start from the beginning. At the front near the chin you get one air intake vents which can be easily removed or closed. On the top you get a second air vent which can be removed or closed, and at the end you get a very interesting exhaust air vent. You can even close or open this one. None of the helmets have this kind of feature. I haven't observed till now. So this is the first helmet where I am seeing where you can even open or close the exhaust air vents. Talking about the visor, it gets 2.2 mm of thickness. You won't get any anti-fog visor inserts for this one, but this is the pin lock ready visors where you need to buy a separate anti-fog visor inserts and install to it. And this helmet has the dual visors. So you get sun visor inside it so that you get protected from the UV rays. So that's the one good feature this helmet has. You can easily close this or open this from this side. So that's the part of the visor. Coming to the padding, this helmet has an enhanced padding system where you get a more spongy and black and red contrast of padding. So you can see, and this helmet gets chin curtain. Of course you need to get for this price point. Talking about the certification, you get a DOT and EC certifications. Talking about the weight, this helmet weighs about 1550 grams. That's 50 or 100 grams more than the Axor and Axis, because those two helmets feel really light when you wear and ride for a long trips. But I think this might give you a slight head pain because I am feeling it a bit heavy by holding it. So that's the first disadvantage or the drawbacks of this helmet. And the second drawback is the easy release strap. I don't know why they are giving the easy release strap for this kind of branded helmets, and I really don't understand why, because even my Axis Dragon has this kind of easy release strap. I think the previous versions, I mean the 2018 to 2019 version of MT Thunder has the double D-ring. Even my Axor Apex has. That helmet costs only 4,200 to 4,500 rupees, but I have paid 6,600 rupees for this helmet, and Spartan Pro Gear has increased their prices up to 350 rupees. My Axis Dragon costs 4,400 rupees right now, but when I bought it, I just paid 4,000 rupees. So 400 extra for that helmet and 350 rupees extra for this particular MT Thunder. The previous version costed around 6,250 rupees only, but now it's 6,600 or to 6,625. So that's expensive, but they are not providing the double D-ring for the safety, because the double D-ring is a safest lock system in the world right now. The easy release strap is totally not safe. So I don't know why they are doing this, but this is the second drawback and main drawback of this helmet. Except that the helmet is fine. The helmet is fine for around 150 to 300 cc motorcycles. Above that, you cannot expect anything much from this helmet, because these helmets are for mid-range bikers. So right now I'll be wearing the helmet and showing you how it looks like. And one tip guys, before wearing any helmet, make sure you wear a helmet cap provided by the helmet. Some of the brands do not provide, but MT, Axis, Axor, they do provide these kind of helmet caps. So make sure you wear it. And this helmet size is M, and right now I'm feeling a bit tight and suffocating to wear this, but by the day passes and usage of the helmet, the padding tends to break. I mean, it becomes a bit loose and smoother. So right now it's a bit tight, so you might see now in the video that I will struggle to wear this helmet. So as you guys saw, this helmet is a bit tight and suffocating for me right now, because the size of the helmet is M. I want a really snug fit, so I preferred the size medium. So right now it's a bit uncomfortable wearing this for a long time, but when you use it for a long term, it tends to break. So that's not an issue. So I will drop the sun visors and show you the view. So guys, you saw how the helmet looks like after wearing on your head, and I feel it really looks too cool with this color, the neon orange with white and black combination. So if you like this video and if you have any queries about the helmet, make sure you comment down below guys. You can surely follow me on my Instagram handle. The handle is coming below. You can surely follow me there and ask your queries, so that it will be easy for me to reply you all than the YouTube. If you haven't watched the Axor Apex review video on my channel, make sure you watch it. I have got a really good response from you all. Thanks a lot for that. I got around 40k views till now, and you can just go and check it out. The link will be in the description. And if you have any queries about this helmet, you can surely comment down below or follow me on my Instagram and put up your queries there. So take care. Bye bye.